To ensure optimum performance from your washing machine, it is important to perform the following maintenance steps. The filter should be cleaned every 6 weeks. Before beginning, ensure you have a shallow dish and a towel to collect the water and clean up any accidental spills. Open the filter cover on the front of the washing machine, either using a coin or firmly pushing the drain filter cover to release, depending on your model. Pull out the emergency drain hose and remove its cap. Water should begin to flow into your dish. If the dish fills with water, replace the cap, empty the dish, and repeat this process until the water stops flowing. Rotate the drain filter counterclockwise and remove from the housing. Clean out any debris that may have gathered, both in the filter and the housing. Once you've rinsed the filter, place it back in the housing and rotate clockwise until tight. Replace the cap on the emergency drain hose and be sure to secure it properly before closing the hatch.